July 29th, heading under the bridge of
destruction.
With Sal at the helm, Tommy and Michael, Michael's son Tommy, and me taking the video as usual. Time to see if we're going to catch any fish. Maybe we'll see Mojo and Maureen out there today. Yeah, we're knocking them dead so far. This is our third drop and not a bite. 3 guys fishing for fluke, and 1 loser over here, me, fishing for porgies.
I gotta find a box.
Gonna have to go to the secret spot.
Listen, do you want to know a secret? Do you promise not to tell?
Sean for Tommy, he's got a first fluke of the day. And for him, the first fluke of the year. He got himself a short.
That's a good night today.
And a release. I got my first fish of the day, and guess what? It's not a
Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin.
fish coming up on the ultralight. And another porgy. But he's gonna go back.
Fat though.
He's 9 inches, 9.5, but he's gonna go back.
Sal.
Well, I got my second fish of the day. It wasn't the first one, but it was the second one.
Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin.
Got my second of the day. Feels like a porgy. Come on up. And it's a porgy. Number 2. He's 10 inches. We released 10-inch fish.
Let me go.
Tommy just pulled up a second short fluke.
Looks like the same guy. Oh man, he swallowed it. It didn't take that. Yeah. Just gotta open his mouth.
Another fish coming up, and it feels like a porgy.
Oh, good taste of pork.
Oh, look at that. Yep. Oh, he's going back. He's about 9 inches. He'll be going back. Just 10 inches and the release. Uh-oh, he ain't swimming. I don't like that. Uh-oh. How come he ain't swimming? There he goes. Here's number 2. Captain Mike is over there. A lot of noise coming off that boat. A lot of girls screaming and yelling.
They can't, I won't say it.
Fish on for Sal. Ha! He just joined the leaderboard. Sal's got a fish. And Tommy just brought in another short fluke.
He's got one too.
And Sal got a short fluke. Fluke over here. Fluke. Oh, that's close. That's 17. Everybody got a short fluke.
The littlest one. Yeah, but
Nice going, guys. Oh, everybody.
Oh, mine is the biggest of the short.
Oh, we got a short porgy, Sal. Something coming up for Sal. Porgy, short. Number 2. Now this is my number 5, 5th Porgy. This is a keeper. Ah, nice, 13 inches. Tommy just tied me for the crown. Number 7 to be released. Want to measure him, Tom?
Let's measure him. What the hell is it? 10, 9 3/4.
Go back. Bye-bye.
You good?
End of day, heading under the bridge of
Destruction.
not a good day. Hard to find fish. Tommy had 5 fluke, all shorts. 3 short porgies, 2 rockers. Michael had 1 short fluke, 1 rocker. Sal had 5 short porgies, 1 fluke, 2 rockers. I had 7 porgies, 5 short, 2 keepers, 13 and 11 inches, 2 rockers, no fluke. We worked our butt off today. No fish. Nice day on the water. Joe missed you out there. It was nice. End of day. Queens for the day was me, Sal, and Tommy. 2 each. Three-way tie. We have 3 crowns today to go out. 1 for me, 1 for Sal, and 1 for the video taker, Tommy. He'll take his turn next. But we got 3-way tie, 2 each. And here's the 3rd queen for the day. Rocker Queen, Tommy.